and today we have the founders of Osmosis. Here is the founders. Hi guys, how are you all?
Hello, hello. We are fine.
We
Yeah,
are good.
great. Okay, so you guys, how do you know each other? Like you are classmates or?
Yeah, we all
Yeah,
four are
actually,
from the
yeah.
same class.
Okay, okay, sounds good. Okay, so like how long you have like into this Web3 space?
I think we started in our third year. We have exploring the Web3 domain for 1 year, and this hackathon gave us a chance to, this idea, implement this idea.
Absolutely, absolutely. Keep participating in hackathons and explore more. Okay, okay. So I just like to know more about your product, what you have built so far today. Okay, and how did you get this idea, and what problem you're trying to solve?
Okay, so basically, in our final year, we were just thinking about what unique idea we can think about in Web3 domain. Since blockchain is being used in supply chain and healthcare only, there must be some new domain that we can integrate that is not yet implemented in India. So while participating during this hackathon, the PS that they gave us, which was ensuring privacy and anonymity using zero knowledge, we thought that we can provide, as a service which can be integrated in multiple various domains. So we thought in that way, and we came up with the product Osmosis, which is whitelisting as a service. So Osmosis is basically a service that can be integrated into various domains. It basically provides you an access to a resource or an event without revealing your identity exclusively. So we can now, I think, go ahead and screen share and talk more about our project.
Sure, let's dive into the product.
Rushabh, can you screen share?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is our project Osmosis. We built this in 24 hours hackathon only. So there is much more left to scale up, fix bugs, and make this foolproof. So we will start off with firstly registering. We have already registered using our MetaMask wallet. If not, we can use it any other identity which uniquely identifies you as a user. For example, Aadhaar card or PAN card. Since we were using blockchain, so we went ahead with our wallet address only using MetaMask. So now let's say we have using this service to provide access to a particular events that a company is organizing. So we'll firstly go ahead and create a new event. Now event here can be created in two ways. The entry can be through your wallet address or your QR code. In case of the wallet address, you will be providing the private inputs, which will be your token along with the Merkle path. Now the admin will have access to both these and he will create his own Merkle tree. So at the end, what will happen is using your private input, the system will create a Merkle root and both the roots of the admin and your will be compared. If they are matching, it means that you have access to this resource or event. So let's say we have created here one event and now once the event will be created, we shall wait for it. It takes few minutes. Okay. So now we have created one event. Now what we will do is we will go to the users panel and in the users panel, okay, okay, fine. We will go to the users panel. In the users panel, we will firstly register for this event. Now, since this event was using wallet address only and we have logged in using the wallet address, that wallet address will be used and we will register for the event. Now we will have to go to the admin side for approving it. Now here approval happens using zero knowledge and we can have also the option of reject or revoke once approved also. So now he will firstly approve this transaction. Once the transaction has been approved, the nullifier and the secret hash or the token which is used for ensuring the validity will be generated. Now, why do we use nullifier is it is majorly used in QR based events. It is basically used to ensure that no replay attacks are being reproduced so that one cannot use the same token or the same QR code again to enter it. So now we will create an event using the QR code one. So now it will go to the admin panel and this time we will create an event using QR. Now, in case of QR, when you scan the QR itself has all the secret information that needs to be shared with admin. And the same process is repeated, and we will check for nullifier is present in database or not. If nullifier is present, it means that the QR code has been used. Now, if you want to genuinely give your QR code to someone else, you are implying yourself that he will go to that event in your place, and once gone, you cannot use that QR code again. So, in the case of QR code, also the same process is repeated, and we will create the event first. Here, the uploading of images is going through Cloudinary. So the image is also uploaded in not our database, but in Cloudinary's cloud space. So we are ensuring that scalability can be done here once a lot of people start uploading their events. So now we'll go to the users panel, and for this time we will use QR code. Now, in case of QR code, the user needs to specify the email address to which the QR code will be sent. Now here we have used NodeMailer and Cron, and we are using the Google's Gmail's SMTP server for sending the email. Now we will add our email here. So the email has been sent. Now if we go to our Gmail, we can actually see the email there. Rishabh, I think yeah, you were sharing tab first. Yeah. So Rishabh, can you just show the email?
Uh, I'm just approving the myself, and the event email will be sent to me.
Okay. Yeah. So basically, once the admin approves the event only, then the email will be sent. So as you can see, we have reject and revoke also. Now what revoke does is once the approval has been done and if the nullifier has not been yet generated, in fact, he has not gone to the event, we can revoke his access. In that case, the Merkle root hash will change. And since blockchain ensures validity and integrity using Merkle tree only, since the hashes are connected of the previous block to the next block, this will prove as a standalone way of ensuring that the user cannot misuse this property. So it is taking some time, I guess. Rishabh, can you then show the temporary email that we got during the hackathon till then?
Yeah, that works.
Yeah. So basically, a QR code like this will be sent to you, and you can use this to go to the event and scan the QR code like that. So
Okay.
once the QR code has been generated, the same process will follow. But this time, now we move ahead and thought about something that was not in the PS, which was verification. Now, how will we verify that the user has already approved or not? In case of QR code, it will be automatically done. But in case of wallets, what we can do is we can go to the users panel and we can click on verify on chain. What does this do is it will check whether the token or the hash that has been generated, it is present in the admin's Merkle root tree or not. If the hash is present, it means that he was approved and he need not prove his identity to anyone. So here MetaMask opens and the transaction happens. Here the gas fees is very negligible. So once the transaction happens, it will basically provide you that the hashes are matching and the user is present in the Merkle root.
Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. So what's next, guys? Like you have built it, and so what's the plan to expand it, or any roadmap, future roadmaps? I'm audible.
Yeah, I think, yeah, we talked about scalability last time. So I think Rishabh or Deresh, you can talk about the scalability aspect.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the next goal is to make sure the website is completely production ready. So first things first, we will check the smart contracts, whether it can generate Merkle trees for up to 1,000 or plus participants. Then the next step would be to make sure our backend can, actually handle that kind of load. So those kind of steps would be next for us.
Okay. Sounds good. Okay. So where our audience can find your product, like, is it live or like where they can find it, or about you
Yeah,
guys?
it's currently deployed only. Whatever demo Rishabh showed, it was on the deployed side itself. So
Okay.
you can also check it out and do all the adding of events, verification on chain. The only thing currently you need to have is a MetaMask wallet, and we are working on making it mobile friendly so that it connects to MetaMask on mobile also.
Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. Okay, seems like a great product you have built so far. Wish you all the best, team. Keep building and keep improving the product. And hope our community would love this. And wish you all the best for the launch soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you guys. Glad to have you all on Siren AI.